Hello and welcome to another video where we open up the toy that comes with a Lego City magazine. I need some more builders for the Lego Loft City. And I got this one. This is issue number 84 and it was $4.99. Oh, I got this cool workman with his looks like a massive saw. And by the look of it, they've been doing work on this bridge. Was it around the bridge? I don't know. Don't know what they've been doing, but let's have a look at the minifigure and the vehicle. So here he is, and here's his cool saw. It looks pretty ace, actually. You can go around the Lego City, Lego Loft City, and use the saw to help me improve it, because it's a bit of a building site at the moment. So it's a good time to have these characters on display, building away. And yeah, I quite like this, actually. It's pretty cool. He's a bit of a hero, this character, apparently, according to the magazine. But I'm not really as bothered about the magazine. I just wanted the minifigure and the vehicle. And so we can work with the foreman. He'll get him going. But yeah, the minifigure's really good as well. He's got some good printing on the body, and he's got the glasses on, and then on the back printed as well. So he looks like he's wearing dungarees, and then he's got the printing on the legs as well. So that's a really good minifigure. I really like it. And the vehicle's pretty simple but effective. Nice little work vehicle. Imagine that with a few other vehicles, it would look pretty good. With like a concrete machine and a few other bits. I've got a few other builders that I've got off the Lego magazine. So it's going to be nice. I like it. Could do with a big crane or something as well to really make the city come alive. But we'll use what we've got and then see how it looks. Yeah, I'm liking that. Really nice. It's going to look good in the Lego City. So if you're looking to pick yourself up a minifigure with a saw, you need to get this issue that's out now. And yeah, what did I say? It was issue 84. So it looks good. Comes with a poster of it as well, look. Well, there's the whole building site behind. Yeah. So I was working any kind of building site, so I'm happy with that. It's going to look good in the Lego Loft City. So thanks very much for watching this little video, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.